Now I know you don't have these. Here, I'll actually wait just a second. We got one little oddity here in northeastern Nevada. Actually, in various parts of Nevada, we have a little something that they don't have in other states. I know. It's kind of to me, it's a novelty. It's definitely something different. And that is coming up here on the left. There's one up here on the left, and there's another one on the right. And that is, we've got brothels up here, folks. So there's what's that called? Sharon's B&B. I don't know if that one's open or not. But up here, there's another one. Open 24 hours. There it is, the ranch, something ranch. Here we are rolling into the little rest area. It's about halfway to Eureka. This is a nice little spot to stop, take a break, stretch your legs, use the bathroom, and turn around and head back. Oh, here he comes. See him way off there? Headlight coming down the road. The Yamaha Tenere. A little change in plans here. This is JP 1970. We made it to the rest area, but we're thinking there's a good chance we're gonna get rained on, and if nothing else, we're gonna appreciate a little extra layer here. We're putting our rain gear on. So Bill's got his pants on. You gonna go with the jacket or no? Yeah. Jen's got hers on. Jamie's got his. All right, so we're ready now. We're ready for anything. So get a picture of this here. It's all part of the adventure. Bill, what does Perry say?
Living the dream.
One more time.
Living the dream.
So here we are, we're loading back up. I don't know how much of this I'll be able to get. I'm not sure how much battery I've got left, but we've all got our gear on and we're heading back. So we are about 75 miles of Elko. And we're ready for anything. Here we go. Got my rain suit on. Got my waterproof Bates shoes on. And we're ready. Put the visor down. GoPro is recording. And into the storm we go. Here's my rain suit. Tell you, that was money well spent. I am not gonna lie. So okay, well there we go. We're getting fuel for the last time. We made it back. We're in Carlin. This is where we had lunch. So Bill, Jen, and Jamie, we're gonna head back to Elko and just all kind of go our own ways. So yeah, this has been a good ride. We Encountered a little drizzle. Alright, we're just going to take the freeway back, so. Getting back on the I-80, about 18 miles back to Elko, so this has been another ride with the Elko Motorcycle Group. This has been JP1970, and this was the third Elko Motorcycle Group ride. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please be sure and like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and leave something in the comments for us down below. It's all about riding, isn't it? Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that sky.